Hi everyone, it's Ben here. I'm out here in the paddock today with Amber. She's in the background there munching away on her hay, very content about life. I just thought I'd take a quick moment here to talk about something that was a really influential experience for me when I started this work with horses, this personal development and growth of horses. And this experience is something that I think a lot of people experience with horses, even if they're not doing this work directly. It's something that they experience with horses without really knowing how to put words onto and to be able to explain what they're actually experiencing with the horse. And this happened to me years ago when I went to a workshop when I was just getting into this work, and I was really fascinated by it. So I went along to this weekend workshop, and on the second day of the workshop we were doing what is called a reflective session. And I think it was called reflective round pen, and I was about the sixth person to go into the round pen to do a session, and I had the chance to watch all these other people go in before me, and there was this one bay mare that was in there when we got started. And what was amazing for me was to see how different the reaction from one person was to the next. I mean, it was like chalk and cheese. The same horse, you know, literally 15 minutes later could have a completely different reaction to a different energy. And it wasn't even the person said anything, it was just their energy, all the unsaid things about their energy and their unconscious stuff that they were carrying with them as they were interacting and going about their business in their day-to-day life. Anyway, the first lady that went in was a lady that was pregnant, and we were all sitting there sort of watching, and as she went in, the mare just walked straight up to her and put its nose on her belly. And there was this amazing sense of love and connection that took place. And it was really powerful to watch, because even though there was nothing being said in terms of what they were saying in words, there's so much going on underneath the surface. You know, the emotional side of it. You could see that, you know, things were shifting and happening. And they sat in this amazing spiritual communion for literally 15 minutes. And it was a very special thing to watch. You know, there wasn't a dry eye in the room. Everyone was patting their eyes watching it, because it was such a powerful and amazing, magical, mystical experience between a lady and a horse. And the fact that the mare knew that the lady was pregnant and was able to come up and just rest her nose ever so gently on right where the baby was so powerful. And anyway, when the lady came out, we were all really riveted to know, like, what was going on there, what was happening, you know, what came up for you before you went in. And she shared with us that before she went into the round pen, as she was doing some processing work to prepare herself before she went in, she said that all of this fear came up around my pregnancy, around giving birth. And she said, I had a traumatic birth with my previous child, and a lot of complications, a lot of trauma and fear that I'm carrying from that is still with me. And that came up for me, and it was really intense. And she said, but when I went in there and that mare came over to me and she touched my belly, that fear just vanished. It all fell away. And in that moment I felt completely at peace, and I knew with certainty that it was all going to go well, and I would be okay, my baby would be okay, we're all going to be safe. And that feeling of safety and that feeling of love and knowing that it's all going to be okay was such a gift for me. And at this stage, you know, everybody was in tears. It was an amazing experience to watch. Now the next lady that went in, it was quite fascinating. The same mare, 15-20 minutes later, the next lady goes in, and this mare does not want to have anything to do with her. I mean, the more this lady tried to get that horse's attention, the more the horse just wanted to run the other way. It was fascinating to watch. And again, what came up in this particular situation is when the lady came out, she said, I learned the most powerful lesson about self-love today. My whole life, I've been seeking approval, I've been seeking love, and all of these important things outside of myself. And for the first time in a long time, I realized that the person that I need to give love and approval to is myself. I don't need anyone else to love and approve of me. I need to approve of myself, and I haven't been approving of myself, and I get it. I get it. I have to approve of myself more, and I have to love myself. And the lesson this horse has given me is profound, and I'm so grateful that I had this experience. And she was in tears. And again, another teary moment for all of us. It was so powerful and so amazing just to see how something so simple yet so magical and profound could happen when people were willing to go in with those horses and be vulnerable and to be receptive and open to what life is trying to tell them, what the horse is trying to reflect back to them. And this is, again, it's like your own intuition speaking and trying to tell you your own authenticity, your own truth, that's sitting there, waiting for you to let it out to the world, to let it shine, and for you to be who you are. And this is the biggest gift that comes from this work. And anyway, this is an experience that really shifted me and really made me realize that there's so much more going on beneath the surface than we like to give acknowledgement to. So I hope that gives you a bit of an idea of what actually goes on in some of these sessions. And a lot of people, I think, get really confused about how do you go in with a horse and have some sort of result if you're just sitting with them. How can that be meaningful? And I guarantee you that if you go in with an open heart and an open mind, that magical things will happen. Now, I have a workshop coming up on the 24th and 25th of February. It's a Journey to Authenticity workshop, and I would love to see you there. I'd love to have you along. I know there can be some really amazing things that can happen in your life if you're willing to be vulnerable and come and join me on this experience. If you've already come along to one of my workshops, you know for sure what you're going to get from it. And what I'd love for you to do is, if you can have people in your life that you know would benefit from this experience, please share it. Please help them understand the power of this work and how it can really shift your life on a mental, emotional, and physical level if you're willing to be open and vulnerable. So I'd love to see you there. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.